This video is on Graco Simple Sway Swing Assembly. This Graco Simple Sway Swing is a popular baby product, but boy, the Graco baby swing how to put together cannot be more confusing. Anyway, I will cover Graco Swing how to assemble step by step, and I finish the video with Graco Swing batteries as well as Graco Swing power cord, and I start right now. Let's start the assembly with a quick Graco Simple Sway Swing unboxing. These are the parts in the box. Make sure you have them all. Let's start the Simple Sway Swing assembly by putting together the seat. Make sure the straps are nice and straight and no twists. Attach the top metal bars using the push pin connection. Push it until you hear the click. Repeat this for the bottom side as well. Now connect the seat wire that looks like a coat hanger into the hole and slot on both sides. Now we attach the seat pad to the seat frame by inserting the top of the frame into the seat pad like this. This is the vibration unit and its battery compartment. Start wrapping the seat pad on the bottom side by putting the vibration unit inside the seat pad hole. The unit stays out of the seat pad. Wrap the seat pad around the frame like this. Yeah, as you see, I have to use a little force to put it on. This video is not sponsored, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video. Attach the seat pad to the seat wire using these two snaps like this. Start from the side and snap the seat pad around the seat frame. The middle snap is a little different. The one on the right is double-sided. So it goes on top of the left and also snaps into the top snap. Your seat should look like this. Let's continue the Graco baby swing installation by putting together the swing frame. Connect these two wires from the legs and plug them into the place. Now push the wires in before connecting the tubes together. This is also a push pin connection. Connect the other side as well. Connect these parts to the frame. Make sure you connect the correct side. Repeat this for the other side. Insert the front base tube like this. The Graco logo should face up. In this step, we attach the hanger tubes to the frame of the Graco swing. There's a circle end and rectangle end. Insert the rectangle end to the motor housing on the top of the frame like this. Push it until it clicks. Repeat this for the other side. Make sure they are secured. To put the seat onto the swing frame, you insert the two metal tubes into the plastic holes on the seat. Make sure the seat is secure. Connect the toys to the Toymobile with the string. Connect the hook to the loop on the swing like this. The first option to power the Graco Simple Sway Swing is to plug it into an outlet. This is the Graco Simple Sway Swing power cord in case you want to replace it. You will save a lot on batteries if you use swing plug, and honestly the only trade-off is a little bit of inconvenience as you have to be close to an outlet all the time. The second option is to use batteries. This gives you flexibility if you want to take the swing to yard or patio. So what kind of battery does the Graco Simple Sway Swing use? You need 4D or LR20 batteries. The batteries are not included. I put a link to the battery types in the description below the video to make sure we have the right Graco Simple Sway Swing battery size. Open the Graco Swing battery compartment by inserting a screwdriver into the coin slot on the top of the swing. Insert 4D or LR20 cell batteries. It is okay to skip this if you plan to plug the swing to an outlet and avoid Graco Baby Swing battery replacement. Lastly, I covered the vibration unit of Graco Baby Swing. It has a 2-speed vibration to comfort your little ones. Let's see Graco Simple Sway Swing vibration batteries. The battery compartment is here under the seat. You can only power this with a battery and the battery is not included. Remove battery lead. Insert 1D or LR20 battery. I put a link to the battery below the video. Replace the lead. By the way, I have other videos on the disassembly, cover removal, and review of this Graco Simple Sway Swing if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. This video is not sponsored and I also spent lots of time making and editing this video. If you got value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button or even better by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos from us and you have a good one. Thank you. It is very helpful with the